In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links to your TikTok bio. Now there are a few criteria to be able to add links to your TikTok bio, such as you need to have 1,000 followers, but there are ways that you can have a option of adding the links without having 1,000 followers. Now before I show you, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Head over to the app of TikTok. Now to be able to add in links to your bio, you need to switch your account to a business account first. Head over to the top right of the screen and then tap on settings and privacy. Tap on account and there you'll see an option of switch to business account. After you made the switch, you can come back to your profile and tap on edit profile. Now as I said earlier, depending upon your region, you should be able to have a option called website right here, and you can tap open that option and then paste the link that you want to add on your TikTok bio. After that, you can tap on save. Now if you head back to your profile, you should be able to see the link displayed on your profile. So that's how easily you can add links to your TikTok bio. If you guys found this video useful, then share, subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today's video, and I'll be back soon with more interesting videos similar to this.